Hey there! Welcome back to Tech Product. If you're searching for the best electric rice cooker that saves space and makes cooking super easy, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about a compact but powerful kitchen helper that can totally change the way you cook at home. Let's get started. Meet the Aroma ARC994SG electric rice cooker. This little machine may look small, but it is packed with smart features. It has an 8-cup capacity, which makes it perfect for individuals, couples, and small families. You get enough rice for everyone without taking up too much space on your counter. If your kitchen feels crowded, this compact design is a big plus. One of the best things about the Aroma ARC994SG electric rice cooker is its 6 cooking modes. It is not just for white rice or brown rice. You can also use it as a 2-quart slow cooker and even as a healthy food steamer. That means you can make soups, stews, and steam dishes all in one appliance. It saves time and keeps your kitchen simple. It also comes with a BPA-free steam basket. This lets you cook rice below while steaming vegetables or protein above at the same time. So while your grains are cooking, your broccoli or chicken can steam perfectly on top. This 2-in-1 cooking feature makes meal prep faster and much more convenient. Now let's talk about the smart part. The Aroma ARC994SG electric rice cooker uses advanced sensor logic technology. This system tracks moisture levels and adjusts the heat automatically. You do not have to guess the water amount or worry about burnt rice. It handles the temperature for you and gives you fluffy, perfectly cooked grains every time. Another great feature is the saute then simmer function. You can lightly cook onions, garlic, or spices first to build flavor. Once you close the lid, it switches to a gentle simmer. This helps create deeper and richer tastes without needing extra pots and pans. The non-stick inner pot makes cleaning very easy. Rice does not stick to the bottom, and you can wash it quickly after cooking. Inside the pot, you will also find pre-marked water lines. These lines guide you on how much water to add, so even beginners can get great results without stress. There is also a 15-hour delay timer with a countdown display. You can set it in advance and have your meal ready exactly when you want it. This is perfect for busy days when you want dinner ready as soon as you walk into the kitchen. On the outside, the Aroma ARC994SG electric rice cooker looks simple and modern. It is lightweight, easy to move, and fits nicely in small spaces. Even though it is compact, it delivers strong performance and real versatility. Small size, big convenience. If you want a smart and space-saving solution for daily cooking, this could be the one for you. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more awesome product videos. See you in the next one.